Ali and Zara, the stranger in the heavy rain. It was a lovely evening when Ali, curious boy, and his sister Zara were playing outside near their home. They were laughing and enjoying their time when suddenly dark clouds filled the sky and strong winds started blowing. Ali said it looked like rain, and soon heavy rain began pouring down. The streets became wet, and people quickly ran for shelter. While hurrying home, Ali and Zara noticed an old man standing alone near a small shop. He looked tired and was carrying a heavy bag. Zara felt sad and said that nobody was helping him. Ali quickly suggested they should help, so they walked toward him with their umbrella. Zara politely asked if he was okay, and Ali offered to help him reach a safe place. The old man smiled warmly and thanked them. Ali carried part of his bag while Zara held the umbrella over him. Together, they safely guided him to a nearby shelter. Inside, the old man shared a small locket and said it reminded him of his best friend who believed kindness is the greatest gift. After the rain stopped, Ali and Zara returned home where their parents, Ahmed and Aisha, proudly hugged them. Zara saw a beautiful rainbow in the sky, and Ali said that even a small act of help can make someone very happy. The moral of the story is, always help people in need because even small kindness can bring big happiness.